Hi there, I'm James Gagnon and I'm at AHR 2024. I'm the Western Regional Sales Manager for Stiebel Eltron. We manufacture electric tankless water heaters and other heat pump equipment. We've been making electric tankless water heaters and other heating equipment for nearly 100 years. In fact, 2024 is a 100-year birthday for Stiebel Eltron. And we've been doing electric water heating, heat pump water heating in the States for over 30 years. I'm here to talk to you today at this part of our booth about our electric tankless point-of-use tankless water heaters. So here we have our Mini and Mini E series, 2 to 6 kW, and these are the ones that would do at that sort of kW range hand washing. We make the Mini and Mini E assembled in USA, but it's made in Germany. Almost everything we have in our booth is made in Germany still to this day. The Mini series and the Mini E are a compact unit that you can mount either up or down, and we have them available in 120 volt, 240/208, and we're excited to announce our 277 volt versions of our Mini E, the thermostatic version of the Mini. So the Mini E's will be coming out with a 3 kilowatt, a 4 kilowatt, and a 5.5 kilowatt in 277 volt thermostatic with the Mini E series. The Mini E's, we're very proud to offer a 10/3-year warranty on all of our direct coil units, the Mini E, the Mini, the DHC Trend, E Trend, and E Plus. Furthermore, the Minis and the Mini E's are unique for this small of a unit, having a manual reset button that can really help prevent against any sort of dry fire failures or failures due to any sort of interruption in water or perhaps even a spike in power.